Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. Now let's go to the next part, and I want to copy this USA down here instead of typing, because let's say this data is huge data and you don't want to type everything again. So I'll go here, right click, copy. One way. Another way is a copy here. Or another way is to press Control C. Then this moving dashes means that this is being copied. And I want to paste it here. So I'll click here. Now the clicking is also being, you can use your keyboard to do this moving of your current selection. And we can do this from the arrows from your keyboard. If we move right, left, down, up. So we can also move the selection using our arrows. So I'll just move this here, and I can do a paste from here, or I can right click and do a paste, or I can do a Control V. There are other paste options. We'll go to these in a bit. Okay, then you want to copy this to few more rows. Then I can do a copy and hold my mouse, click here, and while holding the click, I'll just drag this box to whatever boxes I want to copy, and then I'll leave my left click and I can do a paste. There are three ways of pasting. The easier one, keyboard one, is Control V, and there you go. Now let's say you want to copy these more, and maybe using another way. Once you go here and at the bottom right of the selected box, your mouse changes to a plus. You click here, and while clicking, drag this down to whatever number of rows you want, and once you leave, it will copy. So these are all ways to copy the data. But this dragging has some other aspects also. We'll see these later when we do a advanced copy paste. So let's enter a few more data in there, and I want to copy this format. I just copied this data, and now I want to all of these amounts to be shown in dollars. The one way was to simply go to here or click Control 1 and change the formatting, just like we did for these two. But instead of that, I want to do we can use this format painter. Now it's again telling that this is selected, and your mouse is telling a format painter icon, and I'll click here and we'll drag till here, and the formatting changed. This was one way to do that. I'll just do an undo. There is another way to do that, and that is to copy this, select all of this, go to advanced paste from here, or right click here. You can go to paste spatial, and these are all things you can do, but there are more. If you go to paste spatial, then that shows you everything you can do with the spatial paste spatial. Now we don't want to copy the numbers from there. Instead, we only want their formatting. So we'll click here, formats, and click OK. Now formatting is only copied because you can see these numbers are different. This is how you can do the formatting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.